my people. How are you doing? Hope we are fine. Just today I'm going to teach you a very good lesson which is related to the use of between and among. Or we are going to teach you the difference between and among. Is it complicated? Good. I am Teacher Jasper, but first of all, before teaching you this lesson, I would like to tell people that the group that we have had so far is full. A group at WhatsApp iruzuye. There are people who are requesting to enter into the group, but we are still find out different ways to create another group. Tukureba inzira zuko twashiraho indi group ya WhatsApp. Muraba mwihanganye. Be patient please. Yeah. Mwihangane noneho kugira ngo tubashe gukora indi groupe tuzabashiramo. Good, that's very fantastic. And I would like to thank people who are still subscribing. Just mu byukuri muri kubikora neza. Good. Now we are going to teach you the difference between the word between versus or and among. Among. Here we say among. Among. Open. Among. The difference between and among, or versus among. Good. Here I have two things. Okay? Because I have two things here, I'm going to say what is the difference between these two things. Because there are two. There are two. Okay? But if I put or I bring this key, I will say what is the difference among these three things. Because we have 1, 2, 3. Yes, we use between to talk about two things. Dukoresha between yo tuvuga ibintu bibiri. But we use among, ariko noneho tuvuga among yo tuvuga ibintu bitatu cyangwa birenze bitatu. Nuvuga ngo birenze bibiri byose bijya muri among. Between for two things, then among for more than two things. Good. Then here I have two people here. I can say just between two things, okay? Do you see here? Just I can ask you, what is the difference between these people? Niriye itandukaniro riri hagati y'abantu babiri. What is the difference between? Don't say among, kuko atari batatu cyangwa ijana cyangwa magana cyangwa miliyoni. Nubwo miliyoni uzakoresha among, ariko niba ari babiri, you will use between. Good. Here you will say, what is the difference? Who can guess the difference, or who can discover the difference among the two things? Who can tell me the difference among the two things? The two people. Yes, aba bantu babiri. Difference ni yecham itandukaniro niri. B, niba mwabibonye neza, B is bigger than A. B is bigger than A. Mihangane kushushanya. Yes, my teacher taught me how to draw. Mwarimu yanyishe nabi uko bashushanya na ntakundi ya. This one B is bigger than A. Nuvango uyu number B ni munini kuri number A. But number A is taller than B. Ariko number A nawe ni muremure kuri number B. That is the difference. Those are differences. Nuvango ayo niyo matandukaniro bafite aba bantu babiri. But we have used the word between because there are two. Twakoresha between because there are two. Niyo mpamvu ushobora kuza nkavuga nti just I have two cars. Just what is the difference between those two cars that I have? You will say, teacher, that car is redder than that one. Zose niba ari umutuku, iriya yo ni umutuku cyane kuruta iri. It is redder than that one. This means that izo ni imodoka ebyiri. Then let us go to among. Reka turebe the difference between and among. Katurebe noneho aha kuri among. Among is used to talk about more than two things. Two. Yo byavuye kuva kuri bibiri kuzamura. Bitatu, bine, ijana, igihumbi, you will use among. Yo shaka kuvuga hagati. Ini Kinyarwanda byose dukoresha hagati. Hagati y'abari abantu harimo nk'ufite umutima mubi. Nubwo baba ari 10 uzakoresha hagati mu Kinyarwanda. Ariko mu Cyongereza ntabwo ari byo uzakoresha among. Hagati yanyu harimo umuntu watwaye iyo telefone. Between you there is someone who has stolen the telephone. Between you hagati muri mwebwe. But among you, among these people, there is someone who is not a good person, or there is someone who is very selfish. muri mwe bwarimo umwe ufite ubugugu. Then here we have 3 houses. Nibyo tugiye kureba. We are going to see the use of among. Tugiye kureba imikoreshereze ya among. We have 3 houses here. 1, 2, 3, or A, B, C. I can say, what is the difference among? Kubera ko zanzu zabaye eshatu. We have 3 houses, please. What is the difference among these houses? Among. Don't say between. Ushobora kubivuga kubera kwibeshya. Kuko just English that we are teaching, English that you are receiving from Pan Edutainment, just is English that is taught by a black person or an African or a Rwandan. And just I'm not a native speaker, mba ndi kubigisha kuko nanjye nabyize. Ariko ukuri niko kuku ko tuvuga among, between, dushaka kuri among ni bitatu cyangwa birenze bitatu, kuri between bikaba ari bibiri. Good. Then here you will say, what is the difference among these houses? Here you say C or number C or letter C or house C. A house C is the smallest house among the 3 houses. Nubambo inzu ifite cyangwa yiswe twise C niyo ntoya cyane among muri izi ngizi cyangwa hagati y'izi ngizi ziri ahangaha eshatu. Among the three ones. Just try to memorize that. Between, among, kugira ngo uzajye ubikoresha neza. Don't say among. Among, between, among. Here you can say she is sitting between Jack and John. Niyo mpamvu nagushiriyeho kabiri hano. Between Jack and John ni babiri. Niyo mpamvu nakoresha between. That's why we have used between here, because there are 2 people. Yes, she's sitting between Jack and John. But here you will say she is sitting among his friends. Yicaye mu nshuti ze. Wenda birashoboka kuba yicayemo hagati, ariko ari mu nshuti 200 n'urugero, cyangwa 20 cyangwa 15 cyangwa 3. Cyo gihe uzakoresha more than 2, tuzakoresha among. Then here you say she is sitting among his friends. Yicaye mu nshuti ze. Ariko niba ari babiri gusa, yes, you will use between. Good. Then if you have memorized this is that part. Ka gace wigamwo akantu k'ubwenge ugomba kwibikaho muri iri somo. Today we've chosen to teach you a kind of proverb. Twabahitiyemo proverb cyangwa se umugani mu by'ukuri w'icyongereza. Mu cyongereza tubavuga ngo, in English we say, one bird in your hand is better than 2 in the bush. One bird. Just let's take this as a bird. Kadufate this duster as a bird. Bird. Don't say bed. You say bed in igitanda uvuze. We say bird. One bird in your hand, in your nimwe, iri mu biganza byawe, is better than 2 in the bush. Ni nziza cyangwa ni ingirakamaro kuruta ebyiri ziri hehe mu gihuru. Bishatse kuvuga ngo akimuhanakaza imvura ihise. Ibyawe nibyo by'ingenzi kuruta biri ujya kushaka handi utazi ko unabibona. Thank you very much. I'm Teacher Jasper. We are together for the next lessons. Bye bye.